Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I have something awesome, really awesome. I just get a black wand from Adventurous. Yes, it's really awesome. 30 bucks. Blah blah blah. Anyways guys, I love this. First I get scary bats. What? I don't understand why they are rare. Oh no, maybe they will be moderate. No! I love this. Anyways guys, so I ordered that and I come. It's something very good. A giveaway! Yay! So the giveaway will be for not the pad. Anyways guys, for I don't know, let me choose. That's the leg shot. Did you see that right? A slingshot. Yes, a slingshot. Anyways, I'm starting with giveaways. Do not forget this is the first one. So there will be freedom helmet, that's blah 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 blah. So guys, all you need to do is to leave in comments. User. Sir. Your name. Status. Member or non-member. And the reason for no, you don't know. You don't need a reason. You don't need one. You don't need one. Do you know why? Because here. Come on. Here. See? Right here. It's a generator. So. Shut up, phone. Okay. So, here, let's see if I get so much. Here, right here. See? So you don't need a reason. You don't really need a reason. You just put your username and status. Because if I need to trade or send you. Okay guys? Oh sorry, but you need to put something anymore. What color of slingshot you want? And now I give just one. Purple or orange. Anyways guys, that was for today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.